burners are in rough shape. So this transformer wasn't giving me any voltage, so I've got a new one. This will just be a cover. Got a new transformer in. See the lights. Oh, sure does. A little leak. Right there. Just to get it by for now, but planning on replacing this thing in a couple months. Just want to get them heat for now. There's all sorts of steam coming out. They said this boiler's from 1954. I'm gonna replace this wire that was all burnt. Make sure this thing cuts off on the water. Need a feeder automatic fill valve on. Safe. I added this boiler stop leak. It seems to have stopped, so it fixed it for now, but this is a Band-Aid solution. This boiler, I told them they really need to replace this boiler. Okay. Hopefully that'll keep them going for now. But I told them they need a new boiler. Served them well since 1954.